The guidebook and course is designed to coincide with one another. So all of the topics, the philosophies, the ideas, the principles are in the workbook. And each week through the coaching, you learn how to implement the strategies, you craft your ideas, what it is that you're wanting to do, how you want to deliver it with formulas, with step-by-step formulas, plug and play, do A, get B. Here's A, here's B, here's C. To make it as easy as possible, to make it as clear as possible, to make it as effective as possible. So the workbook is the guide that takes us through the entire course to help you create a sustainable income around a schedule that you want without burnout, that you can implement today, tomorrow, years down the line. And with the tools that you learn and implement, you can go back and do it again, go back and do it again, and constantly tweak what it is that you do, how you do it, who you want to serve from now until the rest of your career.